Unleash the power of precision with the GG300 Handheld Concrete Scarifier, now available in Bangladesh from SUJA Global. Looking for a powerful and reliable solution for concrete surface preparation? The SGG300 is designed for professionals who demand performance, durability, and control. This machine is ideal for removing old coatings, surface defects, and damaged concrete on roads, industrial floors, workshops, and construction sites. Powered by a 7.5 kilowatt motor with 1440 RPM, the GG300 delivers high efficiency, smooth operation, and consistent results, even in tough working conditions. Its hard alloy blades, 105 pieces across 6 axles, are sharp, wear-resistant, and built for long service life. The heavy-duty spindle bearing ensures stability under high load and high speed. Depth control is simple and precise. Just rotate the adjustment wheel to achieve a milling depth of 3 to 5 millimeters. Despite its powerful performance, the GG300 features a compact, ergonomic design, making it easy to maneuver and comfortable for extended use. Key specs at a glance. Model, SGG300. Brand, SUJA Global. Origin, Singapore. Voltage, 380 volts. Weight, 150 kg. Milling width, 250 millimeters. With SUJA Global's trusted quality, the GG300 Handheld Concrete Scarifier helps you work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. Phone contact SUJA Global today for the latest price in Bangladesh. Upgrade your concrete surface preparation, power, precision, performance.
The GG300 Handheld Concrete Scarifier by SUJA Global is built to make your job easier, safer, and more efficient. With its powerful 7.5 kilowatt motor, you finish surface preparation in less time, saving both labor cost and working hours. The precise depth control system allows you to remove only what's needed. No overcutting, no surface damage, just clean and professional results every time. Thanks to its ergonomic handle and balanced design, operators experience less fatigue, even during long working hours. That means better productivity and fewer breaks. The hard alloy blades last longer, reducing blade replacement costs and machine downtime. More work, less maintenance. Its compact and maneuverable design lets you work easily in tight spaces, corners, and narrow areas where large machines cannot reach. Built for heavy-duty use,